Scary animals. Bullet ant. The bullet ant, Paraponera clavata, is a species of ant that inhabits the tropical lowland rainforests of Central and South America. It is famous for having the most painful sting in the world, so named because it is said to be comparable to the sound of a gunshot. They are also called big black ants, conga ants, little giant hunting ants and 24-hour ants. Belongs to the order Hymenoptera and includes most ants, bees and bees. Bullet ant fact sheet. Habitat, tropical forests. Location, Central and South America. Lifespan, up to 90 days, for workers. Size, 18 to 30 millimeters, 0.7 to 1.2 inches, long. Weight, about 60 milligrams. Color, reddish-black. Diet, small arthropods and nectar. Predators, other colonies of bullet ants, parasitic flies. 1. Conservation status. Unknown. The ball ant is one of the largest ants in the world, famous for its stinging, distinctive mandibles, pincers, and large stingers extending from its abdomen. Like many members of the order Hymenoptera, they live in complex colonies of hundreds of members. They have many forager ants that collect food and bring it back to the nest where the queen ant and her larvae live. Their nests are often at the base of trees with buttressed roots. Worker ants climb and descend trees, searching for both small arthropods and nests for nectar. Attack small arthropods with their stingers, paralyzing or killing them with their venom. Any treats it finds will be brought back to the nest with its large mandible. As with many invertebrates in the tropics, there are insufficient data to inform the conservation status of gamma ants. However, their habitat is threatened. That means they may be threatened as well. 1. Interesting facts about ball ants. 1. Ball ant stings are the most painful in the world. Bullet ant stings are considered the most painful of all insects. This was done by a guy named Justin O. Schmidt, claims to have been stung by almost all of the stinging members of the order Hymenoptera. He described the bullet ant sting as follows. Pure, intense, vivid pain. Walking on fiery coals with a 3-inch nail stuck in your heel. It's like. 2. Stings he can last 24 hours. Symptoms include fever, nausea, shivering, and irregular heartbeat. Schmidt created the Schmidt scale for pain in insects. This he has 4 categories. Tarantulas. Bullet ants were the only category 4, highest level, insects until hawk joined. Bites are painful, but generally not aggressive. When provoked, they usually attack first with the lower jaw, which is also painful, before stabbing. But when they sting, they release chemicals that send all the ants around them into a stinging frenzy. 2. They are one of the largest species of ants. Incredible 1. At 2 inches long, they are one of the largest true ant species in the world. Unlike other ant species, queens and bullet ant colonies are typically about the same size as worker bees. The carpenter ant is native to Australia, and he is 0.3 to 1.5 inches long. Hymenoptera, also known as the Amazon giant ant, is the world's largest ant, reaching up to 1.6 inches in length. 3. Bullet ants have a strong venom. The poison in their venom is called ponylotoxin. It works by altering the normal function of synapses, transmission points in the nervous system, in both vertebrates and invertebrates. It overdrives the synapses, sending more signals to the brain and causing pain. This poison is so potent that it is being studied as a potential natural insecticide. 3. 4. They have their own parasites. The jungle is full of parasites. Most of them have very specific relationships with their hosts. The swallow fly, Apocephalus paraponeri, is one such parasite. Although not generally aggressive, bullet ants often fight violently with other bullet ant colonies for food. 4. Phollid flies are attracted to pheromones produced by ant wounds. When it finds an injured ant, it lays eggs in the wound. Usually many females lay eggs in her single host, so after 2 to 3 days she can have up to 30 larvae in one bullet ant. 5. They are scavengers. Until recently, bullet ants were thought to feed primarily on small arthropods and nectar. But a recent study published just this year found that they also prey on carrion, dead animals. 6. This discovery changes our understanding of their role in the rainforest food web and suggests that they may be important scavengers. 6. They are used by the Satirma tribe in severe initiations. Ma are an indigenous Amazon tribe based in Brazil who still exist largely in isolation from the outside world. But they became known as one of the dreaded initiation ceremonies. To become a Ma warrior, a young man must survive multiple bullet ant stings while keeping a straight face. The ants are stunned with a special herbal decoction and the boys, some as young as 12, see the gloves, stabbing inside, that they have to wear for 10 minutes of his being considered a warrior. For more information about all animals, please encourage us by subscribing our channel. Thank you.